Would you like to have a whiteboard from your work from home office? You could use it for reasons like this, or like this. And otherwise, it looks pretty slick and blends in with the rest of your scenery. Stick around and we're gonna show you how to put this bad boy onto your wall. When installing this glass whiteboard, something to consider is how it's gonna fasten to the wall. This one is 3 feet by 4 feet long. However, you need to know where your studs are so you can secure this really strong. I don't like to secure heavy things into drywall. It just keeps me up at night, but I like to secure things directly into the wood behind the drywall. So we're gonna show you how to do that today, where we use a strip of material that will fasten to the wall into the studs so that you can hang your whiteboard in any configuration you'd like. We're gonna solve that today and be able to get this whiteboard exactly where it needs to be for this configuration. And it will work in any configuration at your house as long as you know where the studs are and you have some plywood to be able to make a foundation for your whiteboard. All right?
Okay, time to open up the packaging. Remove all the materials. Let's go through everything that they sent us. Got a microfiber cloth, we got some good markers for glass surface, the anchors to hang it, and included these rare earth magnets that are actually super lethal if you eat them, so don't do that. Now let's go through our parts and make sure everything's there. Everything looks sound, nothing's broken, and let's get cracking. Figure out where your anchors need to be located, and now we need to locate where our studs are. Mark them lightly. Now we're going to make our anchor for our whiteboard to go into. This is going to enable us to put the whiteboard not only in the studs, but anywhere we want. Let's see if we found the stud.
That was wood.
Okay, now we need to find our other stud, mark it, and then pre-drill. We're now ready to secure our anchor into our studs. I like to pre-drill the screws so they're easy to pop in once you got everything lined up. We add one more screw in the middle to give this anchor extra rigidity. We're now ready to secure the whiteboard anchors, which are adjustable, onto the wood or MDF anchor that we've put to the wall. And we know this is going to be secure because it's fastened directly into our studs. So now we just have to do the same for the upper anchor. And one thing about how this whiteboard is attached, it has these circular anchors, which basically have this little cap on top. That cap pinches the glass and holds it in place. So you can remove them so you can actually put the glass in place and secure it. So the caps on the bottom are on, and you tighten them really well so that they hold the glass in place. And then you do the adjustments, and then you can fasten the top ones to secure everything in place. And just like that, you have your very own whiteboard. Use it for your job, use it for fun, use it for, drawing. Woohoo! Secure some foam pads beneath the whiteboard to make sure it's extra strong when you erase. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the comments below.